In order to understand the concept of cells connected in series or parallel, now there are a few points to note. When cells are connected in series, this is cell number 1 and this is cell number 2. When cells are connected in series, their equivalent EMF, that's if you read voltage between this point and this point, let's say point A and B, if you read the voltage between those 2 points, the result denoted by letter E is what? E1 plus E2. So, and when you connect cells like this, and remember the polarities are consequential. What I mean is negative, positive, negative, positive. But if it were to be reversed, in the sense that you have like this, the first one, and then the second one goes like this, and you have to take reading between points P and Q, and this is your E1 and E2. Now it will still be their sum, their algebraic sum, but in this case your equivalent E will be what? E1 minus E2. So now if we are to connect them in parallel connection, something of this nature, now when cells are connected in parallel and then you have to take the reading from there between points X and Y. Between point X and Y, if you have to take the reading there, the reading will be, assuming you have E1, that's E1, and this is your E2. And you have to take reading between X and Y. Your equivalent EMF or equivalent voltage will be as the same as each of the voltage across the cell. So when cells are connected in parallel in a consequential manner, that's in one polarity, that means they will be having, all the cells will be having the same voltage reading. If this place is, if E1 was 2 volts, E2 will be 2 volts, and the equivalent will also be 2 volts. So this question says, when 2 cells of negligible internal resistance are equal EMF denoted by E1 and E2 are connected in parallel, combined EMF is given by, that means if you have 2 cells connected in parallel, this is the third drawing here is the parallel connection. So what will be the equivalent EMF? The equivalent EMF will be D. Each of the cells will read the same EMF, and the equivalent EMF will also be the same as any of the cells. So that's all you need to do. No, it's not something I make up. It's something that has been tested, and if you do practical on it, you still get the same results. So it's a theory that has been tested and proven. Thank you.